When you think of diabetes, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? For most people, it's this: just stop eating sugar. Because we've always been told diabetes is a sugar problem. But what if I told you the real issue isn't just sugar, and it's not even your pancreas? There's another organ that silently controls your blood sugar, insulin sensitivity, and even fat gain. And if it's not working properly, reversing diabetes becomes almost impossible. That organ is your liver. Shocking, right? But that's true. And in today's video, I'll show you how your liver could be the missing piece in your fight against diabetes and stubborn weight. I'll also share 4 natural and 100% effective tips to reset your liver and reverse early signs of metabolic disease. And the fourth tip is the most important, so stay tuned till the end and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Let's start with the hidden connection between your liver and diabetes. You see, your liver is like a huge warehouse. It stores sugar as glycogen, and whenever your body needs energy, it slowly releases it back into the bloodstream. Now imagine what happens if this warehouse is already full, overflowing with carbs, toxins, and unused sugar. It can no longer respond properly. It becomes sluggish. Instead of helping you maintain healthy blood sugar, it starts dumping sugar into your bloodstream even when you don't need it. This leads to blood sugar spikes, cravings, and eventually insulin resistance. That's why so many people struggle with high blood sugar even when they're eating less sugar. In fact, several sources like Medline Plus and Science Daily confirm that fatty liver affects 1 in 4 adults worldwide, and many of them don't even know it. The toxin accumulation in the liver doesn't just impact insulin, it increases your risk of heart disease and hormone imbalances. Now, a lot of people think liver damage only happens with alcohol, but that's not true anymore. Today, the biggest liver killers are hidden in our everyday diets, like processed fructose from sweetened drinks, syrups, and packaged snacks. Also, refined oils and excess omega-6 fats like sunflower, soybean, and corn oil. Now, a small amount of natural fructose is fine, like 2 to 3 dates a day. But if you're also adding sugar to tea, eating fruits twice a day, and your liver is already compromised, then even that much can become harmful. In such cases, it's best to limit fruit servings to just once a day. Because when fructose hits the liver in high amounts, it gets converted into fat. This process is called lipogenesis. And the fat doesn't go away, it builds up. Even worse, when your diet lacks choline, an essential nutrient for fat transport, the fat just stays stuck inside your liver. Over time, this leads to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, insulin resistance, and eventually full-blown diabetes. So no, diabetes isn't just about sugar, it's about how your liver is handling or failing to handle the metabolic load. But don't worry, here are 4 powerful and natural steps you can start today to heal the liver and reverse the damage. Step 1 is cut down on fructose and PUFA oils. Start by removing hidden fructose from your diet. Things like high fructose corn syrup, fruit juices, energy drinks, and bakery items. Replace industrial seed oils like sunflower, soybean, canola with cold-pressed oils like coconut oil, ghee, or olive oil. These changes alone will reduce liver inflammation and help restore insulin sensitivity. Step 2 is add choline-rich foods. Your liver needs choline to break down fat and send it out of the body. Choline helps the liver produce VLDL, very low-density lipoproteins, that carry fat away from the liver. Without it, fat stays trapped. Some great choline-rich options include egg yolks, salmon fish, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. If this is helping so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more people find this content. Step 3 is build muscle and burn visceral fat. Muscle is one of the most important tools to heal insulin resistance. When you build lean muscle, it acts like a sponge. It soaks up glucose from your bloodstream and stores it safely. This takes the burden off your liver and pancreas. Try to include resistance training at least 2 to 3 times a week. This could be weights, body weight exercises, or yoga with strength components. Step 4 is eat to support detoxification. Liver detox doesn't mean fancy juices or extreme fasts. It means giving your body what it needs to flush out fat and toxins naturally. Here are 3 foods you can add to your diet. Firstly, leafy greens like spinach and coriander. Second, bitter foods like methi and karla. And third, cruciferous veggies like cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli. Most Indian diets are high in carbohydrates, so it's important to balance them by adding more protein, like paneer, eggs, chicken, or fish, along with healthy fats such as ghee or coconut oil. At the same time, we should reduce excess carbs to support better metabolic health. Also, aim to stay hydrated and reduce snacking between meals. Every time you snack, your liver gets less time to rest and repair. So, if you're dealing with insulin resistance, weight gain, fatigue, or sugar cravings, start looking at your liver and follow the above 4 steps. You don't have to wait for a diagnosis. Early action is the best prevention. Small changes in diet, movement, and nutrient support can completely change your metabolic future. And if you found this video helpful, please like and share this video. And please share with the community what worked for you to reverse your diabetes. Your health is in your hands, and it all starts with your liver.